Welcome to Blue Nile Tutorials. In today's session, we're continuing our 14th chapter, Income from Self-Employment Introduction to Basis Period and Opening Year Rules with an extra example. If you've ever wondered how profits are taxed during the early years of your business, this session is for you. We'll revisit the key concepts of the basis period and opening year rules and use an extra practical example to help solidify your understanding. By the end of the session, you'll feel more confident about applying these rules to real-life scenarios. So, grab your calculator and notes, and let's dive into this extra example to make things crystal clear. Let's get started. What we will do in this session is look at some further opening year examples to cover the other possible basis periods for year 2. Example 3. Joel started trading on the 1st of December 2017, preparing accounts to the 31st of March each year. His tax-adjusted trading profits were the 16 months period to the 31st of March 2019 of £48,000, and for the year to the 31st of March 2020, £26,600. We again start with the timeline. Black lines to show the 1st of December 2017 as the start date, the 31st of March 2019 as the end of accounting period 1, and the 31st of March 2020 as the end of accounting period 2. Blue lines to show the tax year ends 5th of April 2018, 19 and 20. Note here that with a March year end, the accounting period and tax dates are effectively the same, as we ignore the 5 days of April. Working through our rules, Year 1 for Joel will be the 2017-18 tax year, as the start date of the 1st of December 2017 falls within that year. We said that for Year 1 we always take the period between when trade begins and the next 5th of April, so here it's the period 1st of December 2017 to the 5th of April 2018. Here we need to find the profit for the 4 months covering December to March. This 4-month period forms part of the first accounting period to the 31st of March 2019, but be careful here. This accounting period is 16 months long, so to find the profit for the 4 months we want, we must take 4/16 of the £48,000 profit for that accounting period to give us £12,000. Year 2 is our problem year, and here it's the 2018-19 tax year. Question 1. Is there an accounting period ending in the tax year? On our timeline, we can see the black line marked 31st of March 2019, so yes, there is an accounting period. Question 2. How long is the accounting period? Here it is a 16-month accounting period, so from our rules, the basis period is the 12 months to the end of that accounting period. Working backwards 12 months from the 31st of March takes us to the 1st of April, so the basis period for year 2 is the 1st of April 2018 to the 31st of March 2019. What we want to do is calculate a profit for this 12-month period. To do this, we'll take 12/16 of the £48,000 profit for the 16 months to March 2019. Moving on to year 3, we said in most cases we would be adopting the current year basis rules by this year. So year 3 for Joel is 2019-20, and if we look at the timeline, the accounting period ending between the 6th of April 2019 and the 5th of April 2020 is the year ended the 31st of March 2020, which is indeed 12 months long. So yes, we can simply take the profits for this year of £26,600 as income for 2019-20. What's interesting this time though, if you look at the completed timeline, is that there are no overlap periods, which is correct. As the 31st of March is basically the same as the end of the tax year, there will never be any overlap period with a March year end. The only basis period we've not yet seen for year 2 is where there is no accounting period ending in the tax year, so let's see how this would work. Example 4. Rachel started trading on the 1st of February 2017, preparing accounts to the 31st of July each year. Her tax-adjusted trading profits were the 18 months period to the 31st of July 2018, £9,000, and for the year to the 31st of July 2019, £14,000. We again start with the timeline. Black lines to show the 1st of February 2017 as a start date, 31st of July 2018 as the end of accounting period 1, and the 31st of July 2019 as the end of accounting period 2. Blue lines to show tax year ends 5th of April 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020. Working through our rules, year 1 for Rachel will be the 2016-17 tax year, as the start date of the 1st of February 2017 falls within that year. We said that for year 1 we always take the period between when trade begins and the next 5th of April. So here it is the period from the 1st of February 2017 to the 5th of April 2017. Here we need to find the profit for the 2 months covering February to March. This 2-month period forms part of the first accounting period to the 31st of July 2018, but be careful again, this accounting period is 18 months long, so to find the profit for the 2 months we must take 2/18ths of the £9,000 profit for that accounting period to give us £1,000. Year 2 is our problem year, and here it's the 2017-18 tax year. Question 1. Is there an accounting period ending in a tax year? On our timeline we can see there are no black lines between the blue lines showing the 5th of April 2017 and 5th of April 2018. So we don't need question 2 this time. We know that the basis period is the tax year itself, the 6th of April to the 5th of April. What we want to do is calculate a profit for this 12-month period. To do this we take 12/18ths of the £9,000 profit for the 18 months to July 2018. Moving on to year 3, we said in most cases we would be adopting the current year basis rules by this year. So year 3 for Joe is 2018-19, and if we look at the timeline, the accounting period ending between the 6th of April 2018 and the 5th of April 2019 is the same period ended 31st of July 2018 that we've been using all along. This is 18 months long, so we can't adopt the current year basis. Instead, we'll use the same process as we use for year 2. We do have an accounting period ending in the tax year, so moving on to question 2, we ask how long it is. Here it is 18 months, so we'll take the 12 months ending with the accounting period end date of the 31st of July 2018, i.e. the 1st of August 2017 to the 31st of July 2018. What we need to do is calculate a profit for this 12-month period. To do this, we will again take 12/18ths of the £9,000 profit for the 18 months to July 2018. But note that it is a different 12-month period to that included in year 2, even though the value will obviously be the same. In this case, if we move on to year 4, 2019-20, we'll see that current year basis will now apply here, as the accounting period ending in the tax year in the 12-month period to the 31st of July 2019, so the £14,000 profit for this period will be included as income for 2019-20. So to complete this final example, we just need to look at the overlap periods. Here in year 1 we tax the 1st of February 2017 to the 5th of April 2017, so that's 2 months. For year 2 it's the 6th of April 2017 to the 5th of April 2018, 12 months. For year 3 it's the 1st of August 2017 to the 31st of July 2018, 12 months. And for year 4 is the year to the 31st of July 2019. So the only overlap period is between the 1st of August 2017 and 5th of April 2018, an 8-month period out of that long 18-month accounting period, giving us overlap profits of £4,000. So let's just show you one final point in these overlap profits. The 18-month accounting period to the 31st of July 2018 was used as the basis in some way for years 1, 2 and 3. Across those 3 tax years we have included 26 months of average monthly profits, 2 in year 1, 12 in year 2 and 12 in year 3. But really only 18 months of profit was made. The difference between this 26 and 18 is the 8 months overlap period.